Hi everyone, here we've got UMIDIGI S2 Lite, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings. Let's do it. And now we have to scroll down and tap on security and location. Now let's scroll down again in order to find advanced. Let's tap on it, and after scrolling you can see the encryption and credentials. So let's enter. As you can see at the very bottom of the list, we've got clear credentials option, so all you have to do is simply tap on it. Your device is asking you if you really want to do it, so simply tap on OK. Now we have to confirm it with a pattern, so simply do it. And as you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to remove credentials in your UMIDIGI S2 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.